Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on Messenger. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to go to your Messenger app, then click on these three little lines on the upper left side of your screen, then click on the settings button, then click privacy and safety. And then here you just want to scroll down until you see blocked accounts section. So just go ahead and click that, and then here just click the name of the person that you want to block, and then click unblock on Facebook, and then just wait, and then so you cannot block samples for 48 hours after unblocking. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.